Dear children, we have started doing the lab programs. In that, the first program is to create a series from an array ARR1 containing even numbers less than or equal to 25 with index labels as 2, 4, 6, and so on. So, we need to create a series from an array. So, first of all, we have to import our libraries. They are, to create a series, we need our pandas library. So, import pandas as pd. Then, to create a series, in our question we have to create a series from an array ARR1. So to create a series from an array, we have to create an array. So we need our NumPy library. So import the NumPy library. Import NumPy as NP. Now we have to create the array. Array name is given ARR1 is equal to, it is given in the question that create a series from an array containing even number which is less than or equal to 25. So a range is given, that is it should be a even number and less than 25. So our NumPy library provides a function called arange function, which helps us to create an array within a particular range. So that arange function can be used by the alias name np that we have used here, np dot arange, ARANGE in bracket np dot arange, and the range is given that it should be less than or equal to 25. So we can write the starting should be an even number. So if we do not specify the start, it will start from 0. So 0 is not an even number. So we should specify the starting number. Starting number is 2, which is the smallest even number. So 2 comma, then start, stop and step. So stop is what? 25 comma step means the difference between the two consecutive numbers. Since it is an even number, the difference will be 2. So step is also 2. Then now we have created an array ARR1 from values from 2 to 25 minus 1, that is values from 2 to 25. Values from 2 to 25 less than or equal to 25. Even numbers less than or equal to 25. So, if we select here, don't select 25, you have to select 26, because if you select 25, the last number will be 24. So, it will consider only till 25 if you give the limit as 26. Now, if you give 25 also, the limit will be correct. So, for both the values, it will produce the same output, because 2. Then now we can write, we have to create a series. Let us name the series as S is equal to, so series is a function in pandas library. So we have to use this function by using the alias name PD, which is given for pandas library. So PD dot series, S is caps in series, SERIES, then in bracket name of the array. So ARR1 comma, we in the question it is given the index labels should be 2, 4, 6, etc. So we can give the index also as the same thing, that is index equal to, there is a parameter called index which can be used to give the index value. So index equal to either we can provide the index inside a list, that is in the form of 2, 4, 6, but instead of that we can use the numpy function arrange, np dot a range, then in bracket 2, 25, 2. Now if I print the series S, if I print S, you can see the series is you can see the output is, output obtained is a series containing elements with even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and its index values are also 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Now the same program I told, if I replace this 25 by 26, then also no change take place because we have considered even numbers, but in case of odd numbers only there take place a change. So children, write this program in the back side of your IP notebook, and I will give you the next program to be done in the classroom so that you can do it. Okay, thank you children.